Experiencing a no internet connection error on your T-Mobile hotspot can be frustrating. Let's troubleshoot. First, check for a T-Mobile outage in your area using the T-Mobile app or website. Outages are rare but possible. If no outage is reported, the next most common culprits are APN and DNS issues. Ensure you have a strong cellular signal, at least 2 to 3 bars, as a weak signal can mimic a connection problem. Also, confirm your data plan hasn't been throttled or exceeded its limit. These initial checks will help narrow down the cause of the problem quickly. If an outage isn't the issue, focus on APN settings. Make sure your device uses the correct T-Mobile APN, fast.tmobile.com for most LTE 5G plans. Incorrect APN settings prevent data connectivity. On Android, find this under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. For DNS issues, flush your DNS cache using ipconfig flushed on Windows command prompt, or simply restart your hotspot router. If that doesn't work, switch to public DNS servers like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 in your router settings. These steps resolve most no internet errors. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support, especially if you're in a rural area with spotty coverage.